Hey everybody! Really quickly wanted to show you how to create the Google Meet link for parent-teacher conferences. What we want to do is we want to create one link to send to all parents for each teacher, and any parent who then clicks on that link would need to knock or ask for permission to join the meeting. In other words, we want to set up this link, this Google meeting, so that you as host have control over who enters and when. That way you won't be in the middle of a conference with one parent and have another parent enter in the middle of it. You want to be able to allow that parent to enter once you're done with the last conference. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing you're going to need to do is you're going to want to open up Google Meet. So logged into your district account, you'll click on the waffle. You should see this in the top right corner. And you're going to click on Meet. From within Google Meet, you're going to click on Join to start a new meeting. I'm going to leave the nickname blank and hit continue. I'm then going to go ahead and join now, even though I'm the only one in the meeting. I'll hit X because I'm not ready to invite anybody, but what I want to do is I want to go in to settings to change the host controls. So I'm going to click on the three dots down in the bottom right. This menu will pop up. I'm then going to click on settings. From settings, I'm going to choose host controls. And what I want to do is I want to turn quick access off. When quick access is green and it is on, anybody within the same organization, so our district accounts at DCSD, okay, anyone who's logged into their district Google account will be able to enter without knocking. So this is great to have enabled when you're having your regular Friday class meetings with students, okay? But otherwise, for a situation like parent-teacher conference where you want to be able to control when people enter, you want to turn it off. When it's turned off, the only one who can enter without permission is you. And if on your Google Calendar, for example, I have an appointment later today with a teacher, if I go into that, I have added a Google Meet, and she is added as an invitee on that calendar invitation. So Sandra would be able to join this Google meeting without permission because I have explicitly invited her, okay? Beyond the host and anyone who has been directly invited to a Google meeting, anybody else who clicks on the link to that Google meeting will have to knock and ask permission before they're able to join. And that gives you, the host, the opportunity to admit people when you're ready and not before. Additionally, people can't join anonymously, so they'll have to log in. So theoretically, you'll be able to see their email address and the name on the account to make sure you're letting in somebody you want to let in, somebody you know. So really quickly, I'm going to pause and then I'm going to show you what it looks like from the parent end. But before I do that, I forgot I have one more thing to show you. So now that I've changed the settings in this Google meeting, I'm going to go up here to the URL bar. I'm going to copy that link. I'm going to go back to the spreadsheet that Lindsay sent out. I'm going to find my name in here. And let's imagine my name's way down at the bottom. I'm going to paste that link over here under the column that says link to Google Meet conference. Okay. All right, now I'm going to show you the parent side. So I've opened a separate browser. I'm in Safari now, and I'm logged into my personal Gmail account, which is probably what a lot of parents will be doing, okay? And I'm going to go now, and I'm going to find the teacher whose meeting I want to join, and I'm going to click on that link. So this is the link that I just created. I'm going to go ahead and click on that to join it, and I want you to see what parents will see. First, it's going to ask me, do I want to allow Google Meet to use my camera and microphone? Yes, I do. But you'll see that it looks different for me as a parent. I have to ask to join. So I've clicked that. Oh, listen to that. So that, what you just heard, the ding dong, it's like a doorbell, is what the teacher will hear because I am still logged in over here in Chrome in my district account. So if I go into that meeting, you'll see that what has popped up for me, it says someone wants to join this meeting. Okay, I'm in the middle of this conference with another parent, so I'm going to finish it up. I'm going to say thank you so much, let them go, and when I'm ready, I'll go ahead and admit. Okay, and there's an echo, so hang on a second. Um, and the conference can happen when I'm done as a parent, if I go back now to my district account, it'll say that the parent has left the meeting. Now I'm the only one in here. And when the next parent's ready to join, it'll show up on my screen that they're requesting permission to join, and I'm allowed to admit them or deny them entry. So that's kind of the deal. Please let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.